So I've been specifically asked to make a video of my first go-round of my Champion generator here, and I've done that, and I hope you enjoy it. I mean, I think what it's going to teach you most is read the entire manual before you try to start it, or you're going to be like me and try several times with all different things and finding out as you go what you should have done and what you shouldn't have done. All right, here it is. Hope you enjoy. All right, so I'm just making the video. This is it, the Champion. I just pulled it out of the box. It's very heavy. Lifted it myself like you shouldn't. And it just popped into this box here with all the supplies. Looks like there's the wheels and stuff. Here's all this, the oil. I'm gonna probably make this video. This is the gas line for natural gas. Wheels. Looks like a handle. Oh, this is the front stabilizer. Yeah, so it looks pretty simple to put together. I'll probably read the directions because I don't want to hurt this thing. But yeah, I'll pop this thing together, and then tomorrow I'll give this a test run and see how well it does right out of the box. All right, thanks. All right, so once again, sorry about my terrible video skills here, but I've got it all, the oil in, and they, let me do this again. And we're back. So there's the battery, the oil's back there. It comes with this oil, and you're supposed to run it for the first, I believe, 50 hours with that, and then changing the different voltages and everything. Putting different loads on it so that it can break in easily, but never having it above 50%, what the directions say, and then you switch out that oil. Anyway, you'll see all that in the manual. So here we go. Here's the gas is in the off position. The LPG right there, because I'm going to run it on propane. I've got the propane cable hooked in to the tank here. So let's turn on the tank if I can. It moves that way. Okay, so we have propane now. Yay. And then we go to, what do we got? Battery on. A light came on, kind of flashed, and then start. And let's just see if my propane's fully on. Okay, it says my propane's fully on. Okay, so you can tell this is a off-the-cuff video because I messed it up already and just read the directions a bit further and realized that I didn't even put the choke on. So I even tried a separate container. So now I've remembered over here to put the choke on, full choke. And now I'm going to try it again. The LPG is on, battery is on, and guess that's with the choke. Let me try again. Get it going and get the choke down a bit. Oh, choke goes over further. Try again. Woo! What have I done? Okay, you want the video of how this goes. So go all the way over. Looks like it goes further. All right, let's try this. Part of me wants to do the pull start, but I think I should read the directions on that first. Let's give it another go. All right, one more time. Okay, we're trying again. So I've tried different containers, but I didn't have the choke set right over here. You're supposed to have it at 75%, which is a little indent. So I've got it at 75% now. And it says manual now for, because it's like, okay, so push the ignition switch to on. Okay, but I gotta turn on the battery and then try it. Okay, don't quite have this down yet with the choke. Let's see what's going on here. I'm not getting anything on that. Okay, again, so choke is at 75%. We turn the battery to on. We do this. I don't know why it keeps dying when I do the 2 to 5 seconds of moving that. But backfire, but it ran. Let me plug up the regulator. We have light! Yay! Well, a little rough start, but it does work. All right, thanks for, this is my startup video that they wanted, so here it is.